My name is Joan Whorf-Higgins. I'm a professor in the School of Exercise Science, Physical and Health Education. And I'm a community-based researcher, and I study health promotion and disease prevention, primarily through helping people become more physically active, eat more healthfully, and take back a sense of control to their lives. I call my work real-life research, so I look at how our life choices are influenced by our life chances and our life circumstances. Rather than me as an expert coming up with the solution and telling people you should do this, you must do this, it's finding out what's important to people in their lives, what they value, how they'd like their lives to unfold, and to see how we can fit those healthy decisions into their lives and make it work for them. Society's done a lot of engineering to make us be more sedentary and have a lot more unhealthy choices to eat and to be stressed. I hope that my work is able to give people back some opportunity to make healthy decisions, maybe not all of the time, but when it feels right for them, and to know that they can make a difference for their own health.